This is Nuff Said, and I'm going to do super slow hands together. Add the thumb on G in the left. Left hand off, thumb onto F sharp, 5 on A still. Slide your left thumb down to F. Both hands move up to A's, 2 in the right, 5 in the left. Move in with the right hand, 4 on D, thumb on F sharp. Left hand thumb up to F. 1 and 3 on C and E in the left. Hold the top 5 on an E, down low. Okay, so the timing wasn't right, but hopefully I have played it slow enough for you to be able to see the notes and which hands play together.